The Adobe Creative Cloud has a lot for video professionals. I want to go through some of that with you, but really its power enables you to collaborate with other people as well as keep you up to date as well. Take for instance the fact that it has all of the Creative Suite 6 applications in it already, and not only that, they can actually be updated at any time. So you as a video professional don't have to worry about waiting maybe a year or two for, say, the latest updates. We can actually roll those out to you, which is really awesome. Always being up to date, and also allows you to collaborate with others and even work on site. Say for instance, if you are working on site, maybe you have an iPad or an Android device, you're able to use something like Photoshop Touch or a collage to basically mock up any sort of idea you have or sketch up potentially a scene that you want to do. And from there, you can go ahead and store and sync that to your desktop, and not only that, you can share that idea online as well. So again, you can sort of mock up a quick storyboard, show it to the client through a web browser. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. So you could have numerous files available, and you can share any one of these files, say for instance with a client, with maybe the talent, maybe you're looking for talent, you can share these files with them, but as you can see with this file, I can go into my share options and share it through an email address, and I can just go ahead and send that link. And what they would get is they would get that image and the ability to comment on it as well. Now keep in mind that this is actually a PSD file, and what's going on here is we have access to all of the layers. So I could go ahead and maybe turn off some of these layers that might depict certain scenes. Maybe it's a storyboard. I have that sort of control with this file. So again, I can click through, talk about the plans that I want to do for this video shoot, and go from there. So you have the ability to mock up what you need to mock up, whether you're on the iPad, develop that idea further on the desktop, share that idea as well online. Very powerful being able to do this. And speaking of sharing, what you also have access to is Adobe Story. So here I have Adobe Story. Adobe Story allows you to collaborate with other people that are working on your project. So whether they're the writers or even the producer, you can go ahead and share that document. So here's Adobe Story, the desktop version, and notice how you can easily jump in here and edit what you want to edit. So you can add what you need to and share that as well. So you can share it with somebody that might view it online as well. So they would actually be able to view it online, get the latest updates, maybe click through to different scenes, get additional information as well. So if I view, say for instance, different scenes, I can do that right in here, maybe have character notes. You have that flexibility with the script. And not only enabling you to update it right away, but to make sure that message gets out to everybody. Adobe Story gives you that flexibility. Also included in the Creative Cloud is what is called SpeedGrade. SpeedGrade used to be a really expensive application that actually allows you to do any sort of color correction or color editing on any of your video footage, and really allows for a great video workflow. And again, you get that as part of the Creative Cloud. Very powerful. You get that along with all the other CS6 applications as well that you can download and run on your desktop just like you always have. Very powerful. Accessing what you want, downloading the applications that you want, and also having a workflow, being able to work on your tablet and syncing those assets to your desktop, showing them online, really makes it really flexible. And let's not forget that we can push out updates to the cloud as well. So we can send out an email saying, hey, this was upgraded. Do you want to go ahead and update your software? You could go ahead and do that. So you really have a lot of flexibility, working where you want, and then making sure going forward you have the latest. Very exciting, and I encourage you to check it out.